in, please, normally, please don't go in. Please come out from this room first. And thank you very much. So now I want to show you how you can use it here. Okay. So now, first of all, this is the project meeting that I schedule. Okay, I schedule. So when I schedule it, if you want to participate in my meeting, you can click inside here and view first. Don't talk about join, view first. Once you view already, this is where you can see that I can add to my calendar. Now, right now you see this space is called cancel my meeting, right? In your screen, you will be add to my calendar. When you say add to my calendar means you accepted this meeting. You would like to join and participate. You understand? So if you want to join and participate, when you click here, then you will be joined as an optional. Because why? I am the one which is a meeting organizer who decide who will be the required field or optional field. Okay? So that's the reason on how we use it. Guys, I just want you to participate. Do not join any of this meeting, please. Just relax, watch, and learn first. Okay? Yeah. Learn first, yeah? Because the moment that you join into one of the meeting, you basically will get you didn't hear anything at all. Yeah? Because it cannot be a speaker one at a time. There is a meeting at the same time for the live event that you're using the same speaker. Yeah? So that's the reason we want you to understand. Do not join any meeting. Just sit down and relax first. Yeah? So now, from here, now you understand that this is where I schedule the meeting and put into the channel. Yeah? Once I put in the channel, all the discussion, all the date and time, all the meeting, how long will it take, everything will be stored here. So this is how the record. If you use the Outlook calendar to continue to use this, doesn't mean wrong. It just means that when you, whatever meeting over here, with internal or external, you will store in the chat. In a private chat group. In the private chat group, then it creates a troublesome for you to share the information after that. For example, this is a live inventory, so I just probably want to rename it. Maybe I want to rename it to, for example, Project A. Okay, once I go to the Project A, and you can see that now live inventory is Project A. So we are all project team members. How many team members do we have? We have about 22 team members. In this 22 team member, this is where I organize Project A meeting at 1:45 PM. So I only invited Teams producer. But can you join? Yes. If you're free, you want to contribute, let's join. Otherwise, you can re-watch back from the recorded video. How to do that? Let me show you later on, yeah? So I want you to understand the concept over here. Now, Raymond, can I schedule the team meeting in my calendar here? Yes, you can do the same. You can create a new team meeting in my mobile phone, and this is where you can put the information. There is nothing called turn on the Teams meeting because you already in the Teams calendar. Understand? So you also show you that you can share to the channel at the participant only and so on. Okay? So this is how we use. So you can see that any meeting appear here, it allows you to join from your phone easily here. Yeah, but please don't join. Yeah? Again, please don't join. And let me show you here. Yeah. So now, what other thing can you do? Over here, this is what I can participate, and then this is all the details. You see the join Microsoft Teams is here. Remember, I showed you that initially when you see the content is all blank, right? But after you send the Project A meeting in the Teams meeting, then the link will generate for you. It is the same as for the Outlook calendar. From there, this is where I have a meeting option. You see the meeting option? Once again, sorry, some that don't join. So this meeting option is where you can configure for more information. So what is this meeting option? Let me switch over here to the web browser because I'm using that to host a client meeting. So this meeting option will basically allow you to configure some option inside there. What is that? Let me click and show you further. So over here you can see that I scheduled a meeting for project meeting at this time by this person, right? Who can bypass the lobby? By default, is people in my organization. That's good. Why? which means that vendor, they will have to wait at the external lobby, virtual lobby, until the organizer or the presenter admit the person in. You understand? So highly recommend you to make sure that this is people in my organization, the default setting. Allow caller bypass the lobby. Yeah, I think you can. You don't want to let the caller bypass, but at the same time, I don't think you have a caller function. So either yes or no doesn't impact you. Announce when caller join or leave. Yeah, you can remain at the yes. So this option you can remain, no problem. Default. Now the last one is who can present. It's something that you can configure. For example, you can select specific people on who can present. Otherwise, my recommendation to you is always make this simple. Only. Correct? Because most of the time when you are the organizer, you are the one who want to present, or most of the time you are the one who want to share with people, right? That you want to share your slides, share your screen, share your window, share your Excel file, and so on. So to make this simple, I want you to always remember is choose only me. Oh good? Only me. There are some other options, but make it simple, choose only me. And then, when it's saved and done, all good, then you can proceed to close this web browser, and done. Your meetings option is already complete. Now over here, as I explained to you, I'm currently sharing my screen using the desktop client. So in order to join this online meeting, I have to use my web browser. So let me make my web browser smaller to show you that this is the web browser view. Okay, so this is Microsoft Edge Chromium. Is the latest Microsoft Edge here. So this is running the same engine as Google Chrome. Yeah, so either you use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge Chromium, a brand new modern web browser, allow you to have experience over here. Okay, so now this is my Microsoft Teams in the web browser under the in private mode. Alright? As an example to show you how I can join. Otherwise, I'm not able to demo you much from here. So now, I'm going to join the meeting, but please, no one should join my meeting. Is that okay? No one should join. Once again, the moment that you join this particular Project A meeting, you can't hear my voice. Yeah? Because you hear my voice from the live event. Alright? So just sit down, relax, and watch. Go to join, and in this example, because I'm using my speaker, so I will continue without audio or video in this example here. Okay, then I can proceed to join. Once I proceed to join, right now I am the only one. So you can click show participant here. I am the only one who joined in this meeting. You see that? Okay, so right now I'm going to share with you how you can join the online meeting as a guest example. So now let me make a smaller screen here, and then I'll log into another session, which is the Google Chrome browser. Now this is my Google Chrome browser called Incognito. In Microsoft Edge Chromium is called in private. Okay? So in the Incognito, I just click and drag to the right of the screen, half. This is vendor view. Okay? Your view, which is organizer view, is this view. Now you understand? I am the organizer. You see that? Organizer. Right hand side is guest view, yeah? So what I will do is I will copy the link in this meeting. So this is the meeting that I created earlier. Let me right click and copy the link, yeah? So I copy the link and paste it into the vendor view to join the meeting and show it to you. So in the vendor view, you can see that now the vendor joined the meeting. So is vendor required to download the Teams? No, they are not required. Because they can join as a guest. So no download required, they can straightaway join on the web instead. So once I click here, and the Microsoft Teams will display and ask you to enter your guest name, and no download required, no sign in required. Once again, I need to block it because I'm currently using the mic for this live event. So this is my bad example, yeah? So now, this is the rep name. I can put it as Ray is vendor A. Example. See that? So no login required at the guest, at the external vendor over here. So I just put join now. Once I click join now, you can see someone in the meeting should let you in. So, hey, what is that about? Remember, this is where we configure the meeting options. We let the guest waiting at the virtual lobby. So right now on the left hand side here, left hand side, so you see that Ray vendor A is currently waiting in lobby. Do you see that? So in order to allow the person to come in, this is where I can admit the participant in the lobby. You see that? Or I can deny the participant because I don't know this person. Example. So for security reason, it's always good example to keep the external people waiting at the virtual lobby. So in this example, I will admit, and you can see that this Ray vendor currently as the attendee. You see that? Why as attendee? Because remember, in the meeting option, we just learned that we configure team trainer as the only one who present. Remember? So anyone who join definitely will fall under attendee. You got it? Yeah? So now we have a very clear example on presenter attendee. So what can presenter do and what can attendee do? Example, I can mute the attendee mic. I can pin into my favorite screen on the middle. I can remove the attendee or the participant in this case or kick them out. Or I can make him as a presenter. Once I put a presenter, right now you can see that two person also as the presenter role. Otherwise, I can demote him into the attendee. And done. You see that? So please make sure you get yourself familiar between presenter and attendee role. So from here, let me show you, go back to my slide here. In my slide here, you can see that as the attendee role, you can unmute your mic and speak and share your video, participate in meeting chat and a private view and show background effect, and that's all. You can do much. But as a presenter or organizer, you can do all those things, including share video content, take control, mute the mic, remove the person, and mute the people from lobby, change the role of the other participant, like what you learn, start or stop recording, even end the meeting is a new feature. Yeah? So show background effect and end meeting is a new feature just launched last 2 weeks. Yeah, 1 or 2 weeks time. So from here, now do remember that if you are the organizer presenter role, there is a button that you can mute everyone. When you have more than one, then you have a button over here called mute all. When you mute all, everyone mic will mute. You can only mute their mic, but you cannot unmute them. For example, can I unmute the person? Cannot. Why? Because Microsoft respect your privacy. Okay? So we don't allow the presenter or the organizer to unmute your mic if you're not convenient. Yeah, if you're not comfortable. Okay, you can only unmute yourself, but presenter cannot unmute you. Noted? Alright, so from here, let's share with you some other slides as well. So from here, you can see that you have learned just now in the last few minutes that excellent people can join the meeting, or you or your colleague can join the meeting via the web browser that doesn't require any software to download. Or you want to get the full experience with some cool feature, please download the desktop client and launch it from there and join the meeting. So when you join the meeting as this example, so you can turn on the video, camera or webcam, or turn off. You can turn on the background effect, like for example, you can turn on the background effect to see whether you want to blur the background. You need to change to the mountain view, beach view, Eiffel Tower, New York City view, up to you. Or you need to turn on the mic, turn off the mic, everything you can configure here. Yeah? Then after that, this is where you can click join now. You see the join now button? Yeah? So now next thing, this is a new feature called show background effects in video call. Over here, you have to click triple dot. Yeah, when you have a webcam, guys, when you have a webcam, when you turn on, click triple dot, show background effect. Right now it's high, but show background effect. Then you have effect like blur the background, and then you have gym room view, playground view, home view, office view, mountain view, micro view, whatever expert view. Yeah. So I want you to experience only when you have a webcam. So this show background effect only few conditions. First, you must have a webcam enabled. Second, you must use the desktop client of Teams. Web browser doesn't support. Mobile app doesn't support. Only the desktop client. Yeah, at the moment only support because these features only launched 2 weeks ago. So from here is where you can change your background, click, and then apply here. You see that? Okay, so I wish that you can experience from here to participate in the meeting, and I can show you from here. Yeah, I can show you from here, but I can show you from this screen. Noted? And then let me move on to the next demo then. So from here you can see that on the left hand side is what we call your view, your organizer view. Right hand side is the vendor view. So when the meeting before they start, it's always good that you start the recording. Start the recording you can do at more actions. Go to start recording. Easy, yeah? Once I do the start recording, you can see that right now it's initiate the recording. Once it's ready, you turn rig. Now it's rig. Your recording, you are recording. Let everyone know that they are being recorded as well. So over here as a vendor, the vendor will see recording has started. Participation in the meeting indicate your concerns being included. View the policy. So now both sides also notify that they are the meeting is now recording. You see that? And this is the duration from the meeting organizer. This is the duration from the guest or external people vendor. So I don't have the webcam in my home PC, but this is where you can turn on, turn off. This is where you can turn on, turn off the mic, or even share the screen. Let me zoom in for you. Now you are the presenter view. Now this is in private presenter Microsoft Teams view. Over here, I can click screen sharing. When I click the screen sharing, this is where I can share the screen, share the desktop or window, and share the PowerPoint file if available, or move to the right, you can share your whiteboard. Ignore the freehand, this is the party tool, but I suggest you to use Microsoft tool. Yeah, Microsoft Whiteboard, free download as well. So over here, when I click the desktop or window, this is where I can share my desktop screen, click and share. You must click, yeah? Application window like this, Outlook calendar, click and share. You see that? Yeah? So this is how we use screen sharing for desktop as well as certain application. Or you want to share Microsoft tab also can, because these are 3 tabs that are open. These are applications that are open as well. All good? Yes? So now this first part, but you found that right, Microsoft Teams web browser version is slightly different from the desktop client. Once again, web browser version probably give you about 95% of the capability, but you want 100% of the capability in Teams. Please use the desktop client of the Microsoft Teams. Over here, you can see this print screen. I can share the desktop in the video window. I can share the slide, which is a window screen, or I can share the PowerPoint file or whiteboard. You can scroll down further. You can scroll down further to see more. So, do you see that there is something called include system audio? Now, what the user asked us before our training start as in, remember, I have some video that I embedded or put inside my slide. How can I play and the other recipient or participant in the meeting can listen or hear the video? This is where you need to enable system audio. Yeah, please take note, this is one of the key criteria. Or what happens is, remember, I share my desktop and then I open the web browser and play YouTube. Can I do the same by include the system audio where participants can watch and listen or hear the YouTube music? Yes, you can. Yeah, you can try. Yeah, all these things is possible as long as you enable include system audio. Noted? Okay, all good? So this is the experience on how you share the desktop, how you share the window, or how you share the PowerPoint file. Now, sharing windows, it is I sharing a JPEG file screen for every movement. But if you want to save a bandwidth, if you have a very weak internet, even the recipient is suffer on a weak internet speed, I will suggest you to share the PowerPoint file. When you share the PowerPoint file, you notice that Microsoft will convert to PowerPoint online version and let all the people to watch it in the web browser view. Oh, good? So this is the recommendation. Now, please do not simply share the desktop, because sharing the desktop may result to show some unnecessary thing to the participant. Yeah. So please do not easily share the desktop unless this is the last resort, or this is the call for IE to check your computer. Then you can share the desktop. Otherwise, you can always go for share window like PowerPoint screen window, PDF screen window, web browser window. Otherwise, share the PowerPoint file will save you a lot of storage. Sorry, a lot of bandwidth. So now let me show you from the whiteboard then. This is where I can share the whiteboard, and even my web browser also support whiteboard. So this is the whiteboard included in the Microsoft Teams that allow me to open the app. You can see that. Use whiteboard in Teams instead. So right now I'm generating the whiteboard inside the Microsoft Teams that no download required. And from here I have a black pen, red pen, green pen, blue pen, and the eraser. So I can draw something. Boss. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is the sun, boss. Why? So this is the sun, and then we see these people feeling very hot. So, in order to be a good citizen, we want him to stay at home. That's right. Yeah, my art drawing is A. No, just kidding. So now from here, you can see that this is how you can draw and explain. They give you the seamless experience in your office meeting room whiteboard, and now come to this whiteboard in the virtual meeting. Now, do take note that as an external vendor, for example, you see that whiteboard is in progress, but at the moment for now, is only available for internal employee, not for external. You see that? Now I'm trying to show you comparison. On the left is you, organizer. On the right is vendor. Yeah, the guest, external guest. So now this is a comparison to show you that Microsoft Teams only work for internal, but doesn't work for external people at the moment. Alright? So you have experienced the whiteboard already. So now let's go to the triple dot of the option here. This is where whenever you see triple dot means more option or more action. Once you click here, you can see that I can start the meeting, I can end the meeting, I can enter full screen or even the meeting notes. Let me show you the meeting notes right now. Or maybe I end the recording right now. Why I want to end the recording? Because I later on want to show you more stuff where the recording can playback, and then the subtitle and the transcription is also come with this recording. So it depends the duration. In this example of 12 minutes of the video, probably you will take 20 minutes. Then from there you can watch it easily. So over here, once I click the triple dot, I can go to show meeting notes. In the show meeting notes here, this is where I can capture the meeting minutes. If you are the presenter or the organizer, you understand what I say. And what I mean here is, you can basically capture the meeting note and easily share with your team member as tasks. Over here, I can put meeting minutes. Maybe I just want to, for example, project A summary. Yeah, and then I can put some bullet point here if I want to. For example, submit this application. Then you require anyone to do it? Yes, I want Teams producer to do it. Example. Okay, then we want to install Microsoft Teams in all PC. Who to do that? I can put LS and include Kalai. I can do that. So I can use mention and indicate here. Then the recipient or the task assignee will receive notification from email and Outlook. From Outlook email as well as Teams notification. The third thing, maybe I want to generate report. Example, who to do? Myself. You see that? So you can include all these things in the meeting minutes called meeting notes. It's very powerful tool. If you don't use this, you can use another tool called OneNote, even more powerful. Yeah, OneNote, O-N-E, N-O-T, OneNote. So now this is the way I want to share with you how you can start, stop meeting. Remember, you must stop the recording before you end the call, and then you can hide meeting note or show meeting note and so on. And this is the meeting chat. So it's a conversation. For example, I schedule this, then recorded stop now is processing, and then talk about the meeting notes, and then talk about the some other thing. So over here I can use the, for example, I can use mention to everyone, like even 3. So maybe is from here is do you have any question? For example. So this is where I can interact with people in the meeting where they have a chatting space here. This is where you and I can chat. Noted? So from here we cover all and every single button. Whatever I cannot show it because I'm currently using Teams desktop client to host live event online. Yeah, so all those things we're not going to show you, but you can see from this print screen. All good? So now the next thing is to show you how you can share the screen and give control. Yeah, this is optional. If IT requires support, then they can do so to ask you to provide the control over here. And then this is the meeting chat and meeting note that I showed you just now, and you can look at it on how to participate here. Yeah? And then over here, they also show you that there is an end meeting. So end meeting is a new function. Instead of hanging up the call, where vendor was still inside the call somehow, maybe the person just joined and then didn't listen what you say. Or some other colleague also may do that as well. So this is where you can end the call and kick them out. So no one will be hanging around in the virtual call in this case. All good? Any questions so far? So I can stop presenting the Microsoft what I call whiteboard, and then I can show you other things as well. So far so good? Okay, now let me move on to the left again and put this on the right. Again, a vendor at the right, then organizer at the left. So far good. So I think we covered quite everything. So you can see that as a guest, right? More action here, I cannot start or stop recording. You see that? Well, this is not what I can do. Yeah? Only the team organizer, they can do that. Now, let me see. The moment that when I hang up the call, what will happen? Hey, look at it. This person stays inside the call. You see that? And then from here you can see that, oh, this vendor is still inside the call. You see that? Oh no. And then my meeting is running even though I stopped the recording. What can I do? This is where you can click join. And end the meeting. When you end the meeting, you are trying to kick everyone out of this meeting room. Okay, but before that, let me show you my phone. To show you my phone experience before I end the call. So in my phone experience, you can see that I can join the meeting. You can see that even though my calendar there's a project A meeting, even though I'm in Teams or even though I'm in chat, Teams, Microsoft Teams mobile app trying to remind you, hey, there is a meeting here. Do you want to join from a phone? Oh, interesting. Let me join from my phone then. When I join my phone, this is my phone join experience. I can turn on the webcam, and this is where I can turn on the webcam, and then after that you can see my face. Hi everyone. This is where I wear the Jabra headset. So you can see that it's very good quality of the Jabra devices that allow you to have the active noise cancellation behind the background noises, and then also give you the crystal clear of the output of the voice. And this is a wireless type. I can charge it through this. So if you like the Jabra devices, do let us know, and then we can introduce the Jabra principle to you for these kind of devices. Good. So let me turn off the webcam right now. So what other thing I can do? I can unmute. I can turn on the mic or Bluetooth and so on. I can go to triple dot, that even turn on the live caption. Subtitle when I speak. Yeah, testing, 1, 2. Oh, yeah, cannot because I mute my mic. So other than that, I can share my desktop screen, sorry, my phone screen. Nice, isn't it? So I can share my phone screen to you all. You see that? This is my phone screen. Wow, this is my phone screen that allow me to share to you, and you can easily navigate like this. Otherwise, I can just click one more time, and I can go back to this and then stop sharing again. Yeah, I can stop presenting it. See that? So I can even share photo, share video, share PowerPoint slide as well. So which means that it is possible that you can organize a meeting or attend the meeting while you're sitting at the sofa at home, right? So it's very cool features that you can have a chatting at the top right. Yeah, you can have a chatting at the top right, which is here. You can add more people, internal people here. You see that? All right. So this is a vendor, and this is a Teams trainer, and I'm using another login on my phone as well. Okay. So I hope that you like this Teams event meeting, and I believe you have learned a lot in this session. Now, just now I want to show you how to end the meeting. Right? Let me click here and end meeting. You will notice that when you end the meeting, see when I come out of this meeting room, this vendor still inside this call. See that? This vendor still inside this call. Correct? Yeah, this vendor still inside this call. So how can we kick the vendor out and ask them to end the meeting? So organizer or presenter, go inside here again. From here, this is where I can click triple dot, end the meeting. Noted? So now this vendor view. Now this right hand side is a vendor view. When I end the meeting as an organizer or presenter, what will happen? You will end the meeting for everyone. End. See that? So the vendor right now kick out from the meeting room. All good? Yes? So the vendor is done. Yeah? Let me close it and go back here. So once I end the meeting, this is how I end the meeting. No longer the meeting minutes running. Okay? So if you want to cancel meeting, this is where you can cancel the meeting if I want to. But I do not want to. I just want to show you how it can be done. So right now from here, if I zoom it over here, you can see that this is a team meeting that got 6 replies from you. What is that? Expand it. Then you can see, meeting minutes is here. I mentioned someone inside the meeting notes and so on. And then there's a recording for 7 minutes. So let's take a look. Show note in full screen or see the meeting notes at the top here. So from here you can see that the meeting minutes capture here, which means what? The old way is someone will capture meeting minutes in the Word and then or in the paper, writing on the paper. Then after that, they will say that I will send you the meeting minutes 3 days later or after 1 week. It's not fast enough. Yeah. So we use these meeting notes to capture the meeting minutes immediately here. Any team member fall under this project A will have to automatically go to meeting notes and read it. So I don't need to explain to you. Yeah. So this is a new way of the meeting. This is a new way of the collaboration. All good? So now another thing is I can play the recorded video. So let me click here. And you can see that this is a streaming called Microsoft Stream. I can play the entire recorder. You can see that. Even though no sound, no screen present because I did not show you anything. You remember? So I would like you to try from your end to start recording. Really turn on your video, share the slide, get 3 or 4 people to in the meeting, experience it. All good? Together with the subtitle, which is what we call transcript. Alright. So now let me show you the key takeaway here. Microsoft Teams is a powerful online meeting tool for audio, video, chat, meeting notes, and screen sharing. So you can have the multiple way for meeting invitation either in the mobile phone or Microsoft Outlook or the Teams calendar or Outlook calendar. You can invite external guests and they from the meeting, external guests for meeting where they do not require additional license. That's the beauty of it. And you can attend online meeting from anywhere, in any devices before, because you have your iPhone or Android phone or Samsung phone, allow you to do that. So far so good? So far so good. Is there any question that I did not cover? I think I covered quite details and every single thing. One of the user asked me, Raymond, how can I present the slide at the same time there's a subtitle? I won't show it, but let me show you how you can search it, called Microsoft Translator in PowerPoint. So over here, this is where you can see that there is a page called download Microsoft Presenter Translator from official Microsoft site. Once you go inside here, you can see that Microsoft allow you to download the app, and then it will become an add-on in your PowerPoint, so that when you present, it will show the live subtitle. Okay, you can go inside detail and learn from here. Support 60 language as well. Okay, system requirement. Do read it, and instruction. Instruction you can learn from instructor view. Go to ak.ms/presenter translator. So from here, this is the presenter translator that you can see that about presentation translation and how to use it in the classroom basis, how can change the language, how we can have a subtitle. So all the participants will need to scan the QR code, and then in the phone, you download Microsoft Translator. Immediately, you can see all your language: Chinese, BM, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese, Thai language, any language that you name it, 60 languages. Yeah, it's very powerful tools that I would like you to explore further. Yeah, we used to showcase this in the BED Asia. BED Asia is a UK organizer top of education in Malaysia for the last 2 years. We've been showing this live subtitle. When we speak from a computer, the slide will able to capture in English, or the participant can choose any other language they want to view in text. All good? So this is the new additional thing that you can check this out. It's quite useful over here. Yeah, but I will not able to demo you. All right? All good? So now, as usual, let's move on to the quiz. So let me add the channel. Session 3 quiz and so as usual, please go to the Microsoft Teams training. Look for session 3 quiz and feedback. All good? So over here, in the mobile phone user, you can go to the Teams. In the Teams, make sure you go to the session 3 quiz and feedback, and look for the quiz message pop up here. All right. So now let me pin over to you. So remember, only 5 questions, and if you can answer all 5 correctly, you can win some cool prizes from Microsoft. Are you ready? Ready? Go. All good? So I believe you answered the quiz. Let me show you the answer. Ready, guys? Okay, I can see 12 responses. Okay, that's good. Keep coming in. So from here, you can organize and schedule Teams meeting via Outlook calendar and Teams calendar. That's correct? Yes, everyone got it correctly. Which of these following features are available on Teams meeting? Yes, all of the above. Audio, video, chat, share, desktop screen, or window screen, meeting notes, and whiteboard. Yeah? And excellent people can join Microsoft Teams as guests without official file. That's true. Yeah, everyone got it correct. Which mobile app should you join the Teams meeting? This bonus. Teams mobile app. I can choose to give control to other entity, remote control my computer, troubleshooting corporate. Yeah, this is true. Yeah, it's available, which I show you as a slide here. Yeah, give control. You can do that as well. So once again, thank you very much. We will announce the winner by end of today. And then let me click and pin the form for the feedback. So once again, we need your feedback form in this training. So your feedback is important to us to evaluate the entire session and provide your feedback, rating, and let us understand whether you need additional training in future so we can work with the IT or HR. Let's do it. Okay, once again, thank you very much for your feedback form. And let me show you the last slide over here. So the next session is organized teamwork with planner and the flow, which is what we call Power Automate as well. So please, this is a slightly advanced topic where planner, we talk about how we can use the task management tool. And then flow or Power Automate, this is where we will talk about how you can just a few clicks, very easily, just a few clicks to create document approval process. Oh, sound interesting, right? So now I will see you at the 2:30, but if you want to know more about the agenda, go to the general channel of the Microsoft Teams training. This is where we posted the agenda in this screen. Yeah, so you can see that in this agenda, we talk about the planner, task management, and we talk about Power Automate. All good? So do check out from the general channel here. So once again, if you want to learn all these two new tools in the 1 hour training online webinar, please join us at 2:30 p.m. today. Okay, this is the last session and it's only 1 day 4 session and organized and sponsored by Microsoft Malaysia. All right, so I will see you later. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Raymond. I'm sure our participants have learned and will be having a more effective meeting from now on. Thank you to all participants for joining us as well. I will see you all again shortly for our final session at 2:30 p.m. Please do click on the leave button to end this call so that we can record your attendance and for HR to capture your training hours. Thank you. See you again at 2:30.